Over the last decade, FPT has witnessed the booming of digital health innovations in global companies to improve the quality of healthcare. FPT has been giving the best effort to be a part of that transformation by working with global pioneers in digital healthcare. MedAdvisor is one of FPT's Australian clients who promote the adoption of meaningful clinical use of digital health services and technologies.
We're a company that builds mobile applications which help connect people to their medication so they can view them on their mobile phone. So right now, MedAdvisor as a company are expanding globally. So beforehand we were entirely based in Australia, and now we are expanding into the US and the United Kingdom, and we're also working throughout Southeast Asia in the Philippines and Malaysia. FPT currently has 3 teams that are working with MedAdvisor. We have one team who's working on our mobile application, and they're helping us build new things in our mobile application to help us work better with patients, and they're using a lot of different technologies to do that. We have a second team, and they're working on building us a brand new system from scratch, which we're using for communicating information about medications to patients. And that's a new system we're building from the ground up, and a system which we aim to use throughout the world. And we have a third team right now who are working on what we classify as technology renewal or new technology, where we're enabling them to run a project which they're entirely managing themselves, which is about replacing certain parts of our mobile application. And FPT is entirely self-managing that project, working in collaboration and with guidance from our teams, but we're allowing them to entirely execute that project themselves.
The collaboration model is not only focusing on the transparent communication, but also the partnership, talent, and minds to aid in the fight to emerge as the champions of healthcare.
Really like the fact that that FPT, the staff and the management, they like to be engaged and they like to understand what MedAdvisor does, and they want to feel like they're part of working with MedAdvisor and what we're trying to achieve. We see FPT as a key partner of ours in order to help us build our development capability and allow us to take our product and move it into different environments and different markets. And we're also hoping that FPT can help us help modernising our technology, where some of our work has been quite specific to Australia, and now we want to use FPT to help us build an application and a program that we can take all over the world and help expand globally.
FPT, powering digital transformation.